future designers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Sughra Fatma, NIFT alumni and your design mentor. Guys, today we are going to cover one of the most important topic for the GK part, which is mascot of famous brands. So guys, in a GK part, out of 15 questions in NIFT examination, it will be asked to recognize a mascot or to name the mascot of the brand, right? And the options will be given. So let's see some of the mascot for the various brands. Firstly, the first mascot that we are going to see is the Parle Baby. Okay. Now let's decode it why this mascot has been chosen and ये किस ब्रांड का है? तो ये ब्रांड पार्ले जी ब्रांड है ना? और जो mascot का नाम है वो है पार्ले जी बेबी. The mascot for Parle Ji is a painting of a baby created by a Magan Lal Dhaiya, the creative head of Everest Brand Solutions in the 1960s. The mascot was created to establish the brand among children, means their target audience was children. The biscuit brand Parle Ji is seen to have high nostalgia value. One of the reason for that it is iconic mascot, the Parle Ji baby. For quite some time, it was speculated that the mascot was a picture of Infosys Foundation chairperson Sudha Murthy as a baby, but it is actually a painting. So पार्ले जी का जो mascot है वो क्या है? The पार्ले जी baby. Okay, और it was speculated that this mascot Sudha Murthy, but actually it was not a picture of Sudha Murthy, but actually it was an image of a painting. Okay. So Bholu, the train manager, the train guard, is a mascot of Indian Railways, represented as a cartoon of an elephant holding a signal lamp with a green ring in one hand. Okay, so this is a mascot. ये mascot जो है, इसका नाम है भोलू और ये किसका है? ये ट्रेन, ये इंडियन रेलवेज का mascot है. इसका नाम है भोलू द ट्रेन मैनेजर. Okay. Now this is has been holding a lamp. Bholu has an ethical, responsible, sincere, and cheerful icon. The green light in his hand symbolizes movement and the intention to travel with safety and positivism. Okay, positivism. So अगर ऐसे आएगा कि इंडियन रेलवे का मैसेज क्या है तो द आंसर विल बी भोलू द ट्रेन मैनेजर. नेक्स्ट Michelin Man. Okay, now let's see Michelin Man जो है वो किसका mascot है? The Michelin Man or the Michelin Tire Man is the official mascot of the Michelin Tire Company. So Michelin Man is the mascot for the Michelin Tire Company. The Michelin brothers were exhibiting their products at a fair in Lyon when one of them noticed that if you added arms and legs to the pile of tires they were showcasing, it would look like a man. A few years later, with the contribution of a caricaturist, the Michelin Man was born, and well, the first version of him. He was actually adapted from a character in an advertisement for a German brewer. In the process, he switched from drinking beer to having the capacity of swelling the bumps in the road, as the early slogan went, to make the ride smoother. Okay, now this was a slogan also written to make the ride smoother. Okay? So हम बोल सकते हैं the Michelin Man is the mascot for the Michelin Tire Company. Duracell Bunny. Okay, now Duracell Bunny is the mascot for the Duracell brand. The Duracell Bunny is a pink rabbit that keeps going and going, representing the long-lasting power of Duracell batteries. रोल क्या है, ये मैस्केट क्यों है, ये क्या सिंबलाइज करता है? So the mascot illustrates Duracell's commitment to providing reliable and enduring battery power, emphasizing longevity and endurance. Okay, means reliable. It is providing reliable and enduring battery power. Okay, because of the speed. Chester Cheetah. So Chester Cheetah is the official mascot for Fruity Lay's Cheetos brand and Chester Snacks. He's a fictional character who wears sunglasses and is known for his catchphrase, "It ain't easy being cheesy." He used the slogans, "It's not be easy being cheesy" and "The cheese that goes crunch" from 1986 to 1997 until it became dangerously cheesy from 1997 till now. Okay? So यहाँ पर हम बोल सकते हैं कि फ्रूटी लेस चीतोस ब्रांड का जो मैस्केट है वो क्या है? चेस्टर चीता है ना? और सिंस दे हैव चेंज्ड देयर स्लोगन फ्रॉम "इट्स नॉट इजी बीइंग चीजी" टू द न्यू कैचफ्रेज विच इज "डेंजरसली चीजी" है ना? तो इसलिए ये चीता इन्होंने चीता का मैस्केट इस्तेमाल किया। किंग। The Burger King is a king character used as a primary mascot for the fast food restaurant chain of the same name. The first iteration of the Burger King was part of a sign at the first Burger King restaurant in Miami, Florida in 1955 to 2004 to 2011 after the Miami-based advertising firm Crispin Porter Boguski took over advertising of Burger King on January 27, 2003. They began using a new caricatured iteration of the Burger King character who was simply called the King. ठीक है? Now from the burger, अगर मैं पूछूं कि Burger King का mascot क्या है, so it will be called as King. King is the mascot for the Burger King. Now, Boomer bubble gum. Boomer is a famous bubble gum brand which use Boomer Man. Okay, so Boomer Man is a mascot for the Boomer bubble gum. Boomer bubble gum brand का mascot क्या है? Boomer Man, which is like some superhero and fascinated 90s kids. As it became the best-selling chewing gum, Boomer Man became the most popular among kids. So, Boomer Man is the mascot for the Boomer bubble gum. Sunny. Sunny, used as mascot of Sunfeast products, which symbolizes happiness and peace. In 1910, Sunfeast came with Sunfeast biscuits in glucose, Mary, and cream range. Sunny used as mascot of Sunfeast product, which symbolizes happiness and peace. तो यहाँ पर हम बोल सकते हैं सनी जो है वो मैस्केट है किसका? सनफीस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स का। जितने भी सनफीस्ट के प्रोडक्ट आते हैं उनका मैस्केट जो है वो सनी। Now, I would like you to decode these two mascots, okay, and tell me the brand name, okay, और इनके mascot का नाम भी बताना. You have to mention the name also and the brand also. ठीक है कि ये mascot किस brand के हैं. Please let us know this in the comment section below. Thank you guys and see you in the next video.